Buckle up, but here's the catch: most Arizona drivers don't know about how the seatbelt law is actually enforced. We stripped the audio and added our own. Let's break down the surprising legal nuance behind click it or ticket. A deputy works a daytime stop. For adult front seat passengers, Arizona's seatbelt law is what's called a secondary offense. That means an officer generally can't pull you over for the belt alone. They need another violation first.
During click it or ticket campaigns, that other reason is easy to find. Speed, a rolling stop, or expired tags opens the door.
Here's what makes Arizona different. Most traffic tickets are civil. You pay a fine and move on with no criminal record. But criminal speeding, driving on a suspended license, and reckless driving all cross into misdemeanor territory with a mandatory court date. Once you're stopped, the unbuckled belt becomes an add-on citation. And for children, the rules are far stricter. Arizona child restraint law is a primary offense. An officer can and will stop you for that alone.
The distinction matters. A child unbuckled is a stop on its own. An adult unbuckled rides along with whatever else you did wrong.
And the number on the ticket is never the real cost. Arizona stacks an 83% surcharge on top of the base fine. Then come license points, defensive driving school, and insurance increases that can outlast the ticket by years. So the smart move is simple. Buckle everyone, every time, and you remove the officer's easiest add-on charge. Click it. It's cheaper than a ticket and safer than the alternative. Credit: Pinal County Sheriff's Office.